What's going on, everybody? So today in Destin, Florida, taking care of Destin Towing's Dodge Ram, and had a bunch of water spots on it. So now got the water spots off, and now moving into doing a paint correction. Main thing is technique and pattern. You could have the best product in the world, but if you don't know the technique and you don't have a good pattern, your finished result is going to be garbage. It's going to be trash. So watch the pattern, watch how slow I work it. Amazing. This blue is beautiful. And did this paint correction out here. Right now it's about 92 degrees right now. It is hot. Now, for anyone to say that a paint correction cannot be done out in the sunlight, that is a lie. This is proof that that is a lie. So did a paint correction on this Dodge truck, and as you can see, turned out gorgeous. It's a beautiful truck, beautiful Dodge. The reflection in it, the gloss and the depth is beautiful. But the color is what really sets it off. Dodge did an incredible job on developing this color. We'll back off of here so that way you can see the entire truck. So as you can see, this truck turned out amazing. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So this is a 2024 Cadillac Escalade 600 and it's beautiful. Doesn't need much, just needs to be washed. This is just a little bonus. It's enjoyable, so I'm gonna enjoy it. All right, so this is a wrap up of this Cadillac Escalade 2024 Cadillac Escalade 600, and just threw a nice coat of wax on here with a nice sealant, polished it. I'm gonna show you the results, and then we're gonna get out of here. I'll see you on the next video. Let's go.